What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing very, very well. So in today's video, I'm just going to sit down and show you everything that I picked up from TKMaxx. And there's a lot. So much, in fact, that I got one of the big bags. You know you spend too much money when you get given one of the big bags. So as I'm sure you can all imagine, no surprises here, the majority of stuff that I picked up is kind of like beauty and like makeup related, but I did also pick up a few little like lifestyle bits. So yeah, if you guys do want to sit and chill with me for the next 10 to 15 minutes, and if you want to see what I picked up, and also if you want to maybe hear about a giveaway near the end of the video, please stay tuned. Okay, so pretty much everything that I picked up today, apart from one thing, which I will just quickly show you guys. Now, I have already taken the packaging off this because I did already put it in like my makeup drawers. So one thing that I picked up the other week was this little set of lipsticks from Nastasia. So these are just these little mini lipsticks, and it was like a bunch of different nudes. I feel like it cost me like £13 or something, maybe 15. I don't know, it was somewhere around there. But yeah, it's 4 different nude lipsticks. I haven't actually used any of them yet. We've got like this shade here, which is kind of like a peachy, semi-sparkly color. We have this one, which is another kind of like sparkly sort of lipstick. It is in the shade Lychee. We then have this one, which is like the color that I was most interested in. Like, did I just buy this kit for this color? Kind of. This one here is in the shade Blossom. And then I have the shade Coconut, which looks like this. So again, another kind of like really nice nude shade. Might even pop a little bit of this on there, you know. Nice. Yeah, I have no reason for picking like any of these things up, to be quite honest. I just go into TKMaxx as like a little hobby, and I'm like, ooh, what can I find? And then when I find loads of things, it just gets a bit dangerous. And then I don't look at my bank balance for a while. But yeah, I picked up those. I also picked up a Burberry foundation stick. I'm pretty sure I showed it on my stories, but I don't know where it is. I can't find it for the life of me, but it was just like a Burberry foundation stick, and I think it cost me like a tenner, and it was like, I don't know, it's supposed to be like £40 or something. Maybe I'll like insert a picture or something. But yeah, I got that. Just don't know where it is. So now I'll move on to some of the things that I picked up today. So this thing I actually picked up on my way to the tills. I saw it and I was like, how much is this gonna be? And I saw it was $14.99, so I snatched it up. So this stuff here, specifically this stuff up here, is from This Works. It's like a deep sleep pillow spray. I used to use this all the time, but I ran out maybe a month or so ago. But I'll quickly open it up for you. So this is called the Sleep Club. It says head to toe beauty sleep ritual to help you drift off into a peaceful slumber. Oh my God, it smells so good. So yeah, I used to use this all the freaking time. Like, if you struggle with sleeping, I mean, it's not gonna like fix every problem you have in your life, but this stuff definitely helps to like get you in the mood to sleep. Like, even if I'm fully wired, a couple of spritzes of this on my pillow and I'm like, ooh, comfy, cozy. But yeah, I basically picked up this kit for that spray in particular, but it also comes with a deep sleep shower gel, which I'm guessing smells the same as the pillow spray, which is great. And then it also has a little sleep balm up here, which I figured would be good for traveling, because I mean, I don't want to necessarily be like lugging this around with me every time I go to a hotel or something. So if I just pop that in my travel bag, I can like put a little bit on there, put a little bit on there, put a little bit anywhere, and it'll help me get some sleeps. So I got that. It normally retails for £25, so I got a tenner off. I love TKMaxx. The next thing I picked up is one of my favorite things, and it wasn't anything that I even like went in for. So I originally went in for the beauty section, obviously, and I thought, you know what, I'm just gonna quickly go up to the home section, just have a little look. I didn't really find anything in the home section, but I did find this, and it had to come home with me. They did loads of these. This is from the brand Central 23. I've seen like loads of different types of these. I actually got Ollie a David Attenborough one for Christmas, just like a little stocking filler, and it had a David Attenborough across the front. Love that. But yeah, if you couldn't tell, if you couldn't see, it's got my man Drizzy here on the front, and yeah, it just says God's plans. And I just thought that was great. I always love a notebook. I'm always writing lists, so got that. Normally retails for a tenner, got it for a £5. But yeah, they literally had like Kris Jenner ones that said like Momager. They had Sex and the City ones. I swear they have Friends ones. They had loads of different types. So have a look in your local TKMaxx, because I imagine they'll probably have a ton. All right, so the next thing I picked up was from Laura Geller. Now, some of you guys may remember how much I used to love the Gilded Honey highlighter. Still do. It's like probably one of my top 10. But yeah, I saw this. It is called the Glow Beyond 2-piece Luminous Kit. And it's basically got a high def glow illuminator in Sunbeams, which I don't think I have. I don't think I do. I kind of lose track of like what highlighters I actually have at this point. And it also just comes with a little lip gloss as well. I just thought, I mean, you can never really go wrong with a lip gloss. And let's face it, I bought it for this. So this cost me $9.99. It doesn't say on the back how much it would normally cost, but I'm pretty sure like the little Laura Geller highlighters are like 15 to 20 pounds. But yeah, like, I was looking at this and it says products pictured are actual size. Normally, like, the little one is, yeah, smaller. Like, I bought this thinking it was going to be one of the small ones, but yeah, it says here there's apparently a big one. Okay, I was looking at this thinking it might be a little bit too dark for me, but I'll always kind of make it work. Ooh, this looks pretty. And yeah, that is huge. Okay, let's give this a little swatch. Yeah, I haven't used my Gilded Honey highlighter in such a long time. Okay, I don't really need to put this in a testing video because I've already got like 4 of these. So let's just quickly try it out now. I've already got highlighter on, but screw it. It's never stopped me. Oh, that is really nice. I'm glad I got this. Yeah, let me just show you the lip gloss quickly. Like, I don't really care about it. It looks nice enough. It looks cute. It's nude. It's a little bit sparkly. Looks all right. But yeah, this, well worth the money, mate. Well worth the money. The usual one, like I said, is like half the size and costs like 15, 20 quid or something. So yeah, happy with that. Very happy with that. Next up is a little gift set from Profusion. I actually want to do a testing video on this brand because I've heard a lot about them, but like I've not really seen too much about them. But yeah, I saw this kit. This cost me $7.99 and the RRP is £20. So basically it comes with 3 different palettes. You've got an eyeshadow palette in the middle, contour palette, then this side here, and then a highlight palette. There you go. Didn't want to blind you there. But yeah, I thought I'd give that a go in a testing video. Another thing that I picked up from Profusion is this palette here. I literally just like picked this up because I like the packaging and then I realized it was this brand. So this is the Mixed Metals Arctic palette. So it looks like this. It's basically all of like my favorite tones at the moment. I'm really into just like loads of cool tones, dark browns, blacks, grays. So I thought I could create some sort of eye look with that. And that cost me $3.99 and it usually retails for £8.50. Next, probably one of my favorite things that I picked up. I was gonna get the smaller one and then I saw this one and I was just like, it was the last one there, so I kind of had to do it. Didn't want it to be lonely. Anyway, I got this. Stroopwafels. I don't know why I got them. I'm trying to eat like a bit healthier at the moment. I say that, but I went and also bought 5 bags of sweets today from Asda. But yeah, these are my fave. I love these so much. I love these more than I should. So yeah, I got them. They were $5.99. So like not the cheapest thing in the world, but they're like a little treat for me. I'm not gonna explain myself anymore. I like them. I got them. I'm an adult. I can do what I want. Okay, so next up is this guy here, which I actually really wanted ages ago and it just completely slipped out of my little mind. So this is from BH Cosmetics and it's the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. I think I always wanted the original Brazil palette as well, but yeah, look at this. It's just, I don't need it. I just wanted it. And this cost me $7.99. It normally retails for 17 quids. I do still want to get my hands on the original palette, which I think is like all matte, but still, I am loving the look of that. And they had quite a few of these as well. They were like located at like the back of a shelf. And there were like 6 or 7 of these. I swear, my TKMaxx is lit. Like I go to 2 different TKMaxx. I go to the one in Truro in Cornwall. They're both in Cornwall. I go to the one in Truro and I also go to the one in St Austell. And yeah, they're great. Like they're always just like full of stuff. I always get tweets from you guys. PS, follow me here if you wanna see my weird tweets. But yeah, I always get tweets from you guys and you're like, Steph, how do you find like Nastasia, Laura Geller, like how do you find all these things? And I'm like, there's got to be a perk of living in the middle of nowhere. Like I'm surrounded by farmers. No one wears makeup. I wear a lot of it. So yeah, my top tip, if you want to find some good stuff in TKMaxx, just go to some desolate area where no one else likes makeup. So the next thing I picked up while I was in the home section was a candle. I can't go into TKMaxx and not buy a candle. The DW home candles are some of my favorite that they do. And this one was $6.99. I don't know what it is about these candles. They're just like, they're always nicely packaged. They're not too garish or anything. All of them always smell good. And they're always a good price as well. This one here is tobacco leaf. It says smoky and green and aromatic. Sophisticated oriental spice with notes of tobacco leaf, plum, clove, patchouli, and amber. Yum. Kind of smells a little bit Christmassy. It's like Christmas meets sexy man. It's like a sexy man at Christmas. And I like it. I like it a lot, actually. Like, I really liked it in the store, but now I'm smelling it now. I'm like, but yeah, love DW candles. I'm pretty sure you can get them other places, but they always have loads in TKMaxx. So check them out. They're good. So next up, I picked up a lipstick from Nastasia. This one here is in the shade Cool Brown, and it looks completely untouched. I don't like checking the products when I'm in store, but like sometimes if the packaging has already been kind of tampered with, I will just give it a little sneak peek. But yeah, this one looked like it was pretty much all good. Oh, stunning. stunning, and yeah, hasn't been touched at all. We like that. But again, like I just got this, like the other lipsticks, because it was Anastasia and it was cheap and it was nude. And that was kind of like my reasoning behind things. I thought, ooh, one day I might want to buy that lipstick and it would set me back 20 quids. Whereas I got this $7.99. So I'm just like investing in my future, you know? Next are a few products that I literally completely bypassed the first few times I actually went into the store, because I remember seeing these lipsticks and I was like, oh, I don't know what brand this is. Like, it doesn't matter what brand it is, but it just didn't really... I wasn't like drawn to it. And then I saw on the side, it said Topshop. And I was like, I know that brand. So I got a lipstick in the shade Diary. Looks like it's going to be a kind of same kind of color as the Anastasia one, to be honest. Okay, let's see if you've been tampered with. Nope. Oh my God, that's nice. It basically is the same as the Anastasia one, isn't it? Oh no, they're different. They're different. She tells herself, it's like that really cliche meme where it's like, a girl can never have too many nude lipsticks or something like that. Yeah, pick that up. It is a matte lipstick and this cost me, it was $3.99. So another thing that I picked up from Topshop Beauty was a brow definer in the shade Charm. It says it's like a mascara, so I just thought it was like a brow gel. Let's have a look. Ooh, weird little teeny tiny wand. Let's have a little check on the color. Oh yeah, that'll work. Perfect. Yeah, cool. And that guy here was $2.99. I'm not sure if this is still available, like in Topshop or on the Topshop website. So I might have a little look and maybe I'll pick up a few other things because they did have like a bunch of other stuff from there as well. But yeah, let me know if you guys want a testing Topshop makeup video, because if they still have it available, I'll do it. I then picked up another little palette. This one here is from Catrice. So this is the Romantic Gardens one. They had a ton of these. They had a stack of like 15 or something. This normally retails for a tenner. I got it for a $5 and it says it's an everyday face and cheek palette. So it just looks like this. I want to do another testing Catrice video, so I thought I would just pick that up. Will help me along. I really want to lift up this little bit of plastic and swatch this shimmery highlighter because it looks nice. Very nice. Okay, let's put it next to its little friend here. Ooh. That looks very nice. Okay, yeah, I'm looking forward to trying that out. Next is something that I literally didn't even check the price of, and I checked my receipt just now because I was looking at it and I was like, I did not pay that little for it. Apparently this is $2.99, but I don't know how this was $2.99. It looks like, I mean, by the looks of things, it looks like someone's been playing around with the sticker. Yeah, this is another lip product, this time from NARS. It's one of the Power Matte lip pigments, and it's in the shade Done It Again. So I did a little Google, and I checked out some swatches. Oh, yes. I'm basically going for, like, the cool brown vibes, as you can probably tell. But yeah, looks, I mean, I'll just do a little swatch in the back of my hand so I can show you guys. Oh my God, that is so liquidy. I was not expecting it to be like that. I've not tried any of these out before, so I thought I would give it a go. But yeah, apparently I paid $2.99 for that. I was kind of looking at that and I thought it was $12.99, but yeah, apparently it was $2.99. I don't think that's how much it was supposed to be. I think I just got kind of lucky with that one. But yeah, either way, it's NARS and it's a whole lot cheaper than what it usually is. All right, so the next thing I picked up was, okay, so it's originally meant to retail for £33. I got it for $3.99. Again, it's from Laura Geller, and this is the High Def Glow Illuminator Duo. I originally just kind of bypassed it because I looked at it and I thought, oh, it's just going to be a little palette with like a few of those gilded honey powders in there. But then I opened it up when I got home, and it's something completely different. So we've got this shade here, so one's called Shimmer and one's called Sparkle. I'm guessing this one's Sparkle because it's a bit more sparkly. Okay, the sparkly one is like, I get it. It looks like it'll be nice, but this is the one that I'm like excited for. Like just there. I mean, it basically looks the same as that large one there, but it's fine. But yeah, I got that for £4. Normally retails for 33. So save myself 29 quid there. So yeah, I'm sure I'll probably put that in a testing video soon. So last but not least, I picked up an Anastasia Riviera palette. And that is a complete lie because I picked it up for one of you guys. So yeah, got this. They had like, they only had one of these, but they had like 5 of the Alyssa Ashley palettes. So I thought I'd just get this one because it seemed a little more exclusive, a little more special. It was in like one of those plastic boxes. So got that. So yeah, I'm giving this one away, but if you guys are curious about how much it cost me $24.99, normally retails for $46. Completely untouched, completely brand new, all that jazz. So yeah, gonna be doing a little giveaway for that. I'm not gonna bore you guys with like filling this video up with too much information. I will just pop everything down in the description box. So yeah, like I was saying, you guys are always tweeting me saying like, Steph, how do you get so much good stuff at your TKMaxx? So I thought I'd bring the goods to one of you guys. So yeah, check the description box down below if you guys do want to enter. So yeah, that is everything I picked up from TKMaxx. Let me know if you guys have tried out any of the products that I picked up. Let me know if you have any good stuff in your TKMaxx. If you guys did enjoy this video, as always, please do give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you do want to see more of me because I upload all the damn time. But apart from that, that is it from me. I love you guys and I will see you in the next one. Bye.